Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the charming and cozy world of shabby chic interior design. We'll explore what shabby chic is and share some tips on how you can bring this delightful style into your own home. Let's get started. Shabby chic is all about creating a warm, inviting and relaxed space with a touch of elegance. It combines vintage and antique elements with soft pastel colors and distressed finishes. This style celebrates imperfections and embraces the beauty of wear and tear, making it perfect for those who love a lived-in, cozy atmosphere. Key elements of shabby chic include distressed furniture, vintage accessories, and soft textiles. Think of a worn-out whitewashed table paired with mismatched chairs, lace curtains, and a crystal chandelier. It's all about blending the old with the new to create a space that feels timeless and charming. The color palette in shabby chic design is typically soft and muted. Pastel shades like pale pink, mint green, and baby blue dominate, often paired with white and beige to keep the look light and airy. These colors add to the calming and inviting feel of the space. When it comes to furniture, think vintage and antique. Distressed wood, metal beds, and ornate mirrors are staples. Accessories like floral prints, lace doilies, and vintage lamps add layers of texture and interest. Don't be afraid to mix and match pieces to create a collected over time look. A big part of shabby chic is the distressed look. You can easily achieve this at home by using some simple DIY techniques. Sanding down the edges of furniture using chalk paint and applying a whitewash finish can give your pieces that perfect worn-in charm. Textiles play a huge role in shabby chic design. Soft furnishings like oversized sofas, floral throw pillows, and lace tablecloths add comfort and a touch of romance. Layering different textures and patterns will make your space feel cozy and inviting. Finally, personalize your space with cherished items. Vintage books, family photos in ornate frames, and small potted plants add character and make the space truly yours. Shabby chic is all about creating a home that tells your story. And there you have it. Shabby chic is a beautiful way to bring a cozy, inviting and stylish atmosphere into your home. Embrace the charm of vintage pieces, soft colors, and distressed finishes to create a space that's uniquely yours. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more interior design tips and inspiration. See you next time.